Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I am going to share with you a new early campaign reward program where you have to do some basic tasks, and the project is called Modulo Labs. So what is Modulo Labs? They say one bond every chain. Basically, Modulo Finance is a DeFi platform that lets users borrow, lend and manage crypto easily across different blockchains in one place. If you want more information, you can visit their website for details. Right now they only have 16k followers, so we are joining this project very early. Their rewards program is still live and they claim they are paying real money, not airdrops. So you don't need points or have to wait for TGE, you can earn real money. They also mention how you can earn money. On signing up you will get $10, which will be a cash reward as they claim, and in return for doing daily tasks you will get $1 per day, which becomes $40 monthly, and yearly it becomes even more. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, first subscribe and turn notifications on so you don't miss any future updates. And guys, those of you who haven't joined our Telegram channel, I put the Telegram link in the video description. You can join there. I share the most important daily crypto airdrop news on that channel, so don't miss this. To participate in the campaign, first you need to come to this page. You can also join using mobile as well. So first you need to sign up for the early waitlist. Only then will you be eligible for the rewards. Now I will tell you how to do it. Click on sign up. Then you need to enter your email and click on send code. Now check your email for the code, copy the code, paste it here and click on verify. And done. Next you need to connect your social accounts. First click here to connect your X account. Then authorize the app. And done. Next click here to connect Discord. Then authorize. And done. Next connect Telegram. Then accept. And done. So the second step is now complete. In the third step you will be asked to do a short interview. In this short interview they ask how can you help build the Modulo community. That means how you can help in building the Modulo community. Here I have already written a description. Now I enter the description. I can contribute by testing features, reporting issues, participating in community discussions and helping onboard or guide new users. Then click on submit. And done. After completing all three steps, step 4 will open. Here you just need to complete some basic tasks. For example, click here on follow. Then follow their profile. Go back and click on claim. And done. Next you need to join their Discord. Click here on join. Then accept the invite and react with these emojis. After that go back and click on claim. And done. Next you need to join their Telegram. Click on join, then join their group. Go back and click on claim. And done. After completing all the tasks, click here to submit your application. As soon as you click on submit, you can see the approval chance becomes very high. It also says your application is being reviewed. Once the review is completed, the not whitelisted text will be removed and it will turn green, meaning it will show as whitelisted. So that's it. Now wait for the next task, which they will announce soon. For that, keep an eye on our Telegram channel. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like the video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.